Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 24th of February, 2023. Moderna. Yeah, I'm going to give you all information that can kind of tell us that Moderna is going to go lower in price. Don't be surprised, because if you guys saw my last video in Moderna, which was produced on the 3rd of January 2023, you guys can see my expectations anyway. I was looking for the market in Moderna to go lower in price, and here we are today. The market currently is almost at our ultimate TP price of 140. That's 22% move to the downside since we did the price prediction in the beginning of the year, January the 3rd, 2023. So here it is, February. Congratulations. Let's go ahead and cut that out the way. And let's talk about the market in Moderna and seeing how low price can go. Because if it's going to come to 140, that is a logical area that we could possibly see buyers. Like, let's just admit it. I keep it real. We can see buyers into the market in Moderna. So as I continue to expect price to go lower in Moderna, this will go against me. I already know that. If I continue to see buyers hold price in Moderna around 140, it's going to let me know that my prediction is on the wrong side and that we may need to come in and flip the market and take the market long. We already know that. So there's no need for us to be emotional. There's no need for us to question why is not Moderna going any lower. That would be the reason right there. I'm telling you that now, before it even happens. Now, let's go and look at the market in Moderna on the weekly time frame real quick. A lot of this information is going to be construed and displayed on a longer term basis, preferably the weekly and the 2 weeks. If we see, okay, I'm giving you all a heads up now. Price closed down here on the low end of this weekly price by Moderna, 140. In my opinion, it's not going to hold. It's going to go lower than 140. Okay, so give the market 8 hours and 50 minutes to let them work themselves out. But on the conclusion, because you guys can actually tell right now in pre-market that Moderna is trading already at the low right now, trading at 143.81. So 140 is the key area for today on the conclusion of the last trade in the market in Moderna. Now, if it's not going to hold 140, then what would be the next area? There's two areas. The biggest one is around 120. But here's another area that the market buyers could possibly appear and keep price propped up. Okay. So I'm actually, if you guys can see it from this aerial viewpoint, I'm not massively bearish. I'm just telling you that price can go lower. That's it. I'm not telling you that price is going to run down to 80 bucks, because this market in Moderna has been trading within this trading channel for an extremely long period of time. Think about it. Since the beginning of 2022, a whole year, the market in Moderna has been trading within these two lines. So I will tell you one thing. This is causing is the buildup for the next explosion right here. This is the next buildup, and whichever way price breaks, whether to the upside or to the downside, it's going to be a massive move lower or higher. This is where people make a lot of their money, especially when they buy the market long or they sell the market short. This is how it's created right here. What we're looking at from left to right, market consolidating within the channel. Like I said, this is an extremely long period of time to see Moderna trade within a consolidational range. So whichever way the price breaks is going to be a big move. Just saying. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all the 2 weekly chart for Moderna. And here it is. Again, we got 8 hours, 48 minutes, but this is definitely telling me that things has changed into the market. That massive move higher. We even saw on the 2 weekly chart, like, we need to use this as a play-by-play. The market tells us on multiple time frames, multiple price charts of what's really going on. So on this 2 weekly chart, we can see it by the increase in volume on this 2 weekly price bar and how many times price got rejected here. That price was weak. So for us to be trading down here around $147 today, like, come on, you shouldn't be surprised. The market was telling us all the way back in 2022 ending 2022, beginning of the year, that price was weak. The 2-week chart has been glaringly telling you that signal. So let's go ahead and put a prediction on the chart and we'll be done. So yeah, we're going to look for the market in Moderna to go lower. I'm not looking for, to me, like I said, I'm not looking for 140 to hold. So our first target is going to be here at this. My first target is going to be here around 137. Let's just do $138. Yeah, we'll do 138. So let me show you all with my magnifying glass. 6.42% lower. $138 is that first target. My second target is going to be here around 130. That's 12% move lower. Right there around 130. And my fourth target is going to be all the way down here to our support area of 120. That is around 18 and a quarter, 120. And that's it. Those are the 3 targets right there, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and extend our lines. And I'm through. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.